Hey guys, today in this video, let's learn how to connect Spotify on Discord. So if you want to connect your Spotify account and basically have your friends see your Spotify activity on the Discord application on your PCs, I'm going to teach you guys step by step on how to do that. So please watch this video until the end to learn how. Okay, so the first step is to basically, I'm going to show you guys the Discord application. Okay, so what I want you guys to do is to tap on the user settings on the lower corner of your screens. So once you tap right here on the user settings, I want you to scroll until you see the connections. Now over here on connections, you should see the option to basically I do have to disable streamer mode first so that I could access my settings. Okay, perfect. So let's go ahead and tap on connections over here. Now currently I do already have my Spotify already connected onto my Discord. So let's just go ahead and disconnect this real quick, and I'm going to show you guys step by step on how to connect your Spotify accounts on here. So obviously, if over here on this section, you see this called add accounts to your profile. So what I want you to do is to tap on Spotify, and you should be redirected onto the Spotify login on its website. So what I want you to do is to go ahead and enter your username or email, and as well as your password, and go ahead and log on to your Spotify accounts. And once that is already done, all you guys need to do is to go ahead and now switch over onto Discord and see if you have already linked the Discord with your Spotify. But you could also try to connect it with Apple and also connect it with Facebook and Google. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and try Facebook in my example. I'm going to go ahead and tap on continue. And once this is all done, of course, you have already connected your Spotify as well as your Discord account. You can actually go ahead now and view it on your Spotify, or rather on your Discord, and see that you have the Spotify account already connected with your Discord account, so that it can now be displayed in your profile if you prefer to, or also have your Spotify activity displayed as your status. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. And again, take care.